सो मैं फूड्स एंड इंड्स के स्टॉल पे खड़ा हुआ हूँ और आज आहार एग्जीबिशन का सेकंड डे है और महाशिवरात्रि भी है आज। तो पहले तो महाशिवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को। और फूड्स एंड इंड मुंबई की कंपनी है और एक ग्रुप कंपनी है और मल्टीपल कैटेगरीज में काम करती है। और जैसे कि आप देख पाएंगे पीछे, ये 3 कैटेगरी के अंदर आज की तारीख में इस्टेब्लिश्ड है। एक स्पाइसेस कैटेगरी में कुसुम के नाम से इनका ब्रांड आता है। दूसरा फ्रोज़न कैटेगरी के अंदर भी ये है जिसका ब्रांड ग्रीन टॉप के नाम से है। और अभी इन्होंने रिसेंटली नॉर्थ में इन्होंने अपना लॉन्च किया और एंटाइज के साथ ये एसोसिएट हुए हैं। तो मेरे साथ CEO ऑफ कंपनी है मोलय शाह और
मिस्टर विवेक गडगिल, ही इज आवर कंज्यूमर हेड। मिस्टर निशांत, ही इज recently joined with us to head the North Division. With a new product development representative है Shivani. All of are here. We are very delighted to join hands with Shaluji. I feel that this association will be taking us in a big way in northern area. We are basically a B2B company since 52 years, but recently we have started launching our own brand product in Indian market. We have already started in western sector. Now we are coming in northern sector. We feel that it has a huge potential, and with the experience of Shaluji, we can reach any. And I would like to say something to Mr. Vivek Gadgil. He is already dealing with Shaluji. What is your experience with him?
My experience has been absolutely wonderful, and the kind of achievements that Entice under the leadership of Shaluji they have been achieving, I am sure that we have found the right channel partner.
Thank you so much, sir.
Nishant also here. He is recently joined. He will be actively and coordinating with Shaluji. So Nishant, we will do all the best. And if you would like to say something, because you already know him, I believe.
Correct. Shaluji is the key person for Northern region. We just appoint Mr. Shalu as a super stockist, and you can say the entire Delhi and NCR region. We are going this plan to make a lot of distributor under him, and our plan is so big. And just we definitely cross within a 1 quarter 1 crore.
So we are working as a one-stop solution for this company, starting from Delhi NCR. Then we will go ahead with other locations also. We will cover North India for this company.
Yes.
And starting with the frozen category and Kusum as a brand, we are also doing together.
And ready-to-eat gravies
and ready-to-eat gravies also.
Yes.
So hopefully, like Nishant sir said, कि हम पहले क्वार्टर में शायद हम 1 करोड़ का आंकड़ा पार कर लेंगे। और आई थिंक वो 1 करोड़ का आंकड़ा शायद स्टार्टिंग का 1 करोड़ का आंकड़ा होगा। हम इससे बड़ा आंकड़े की हमारी प्लानिंग है, क्योंकि जब कंपनी कुछ इसको बड़े स्केल पे जब कुछ लॉन्च करती है तो स्टार्टिंग में एक छोटा फिगर होता है, बट ये बड़ा बिजनेस होने वाला है। 2 बड़ी कैटेगरी हैं। स्पाइसेस itself is a big category. Frozen itself is a very growing category in India. So I think it can be a very good association between each other, and hopefully, like what we are planning, we will achieve in future. So it's thank you so much for having an association.
And before
with
ending this, I just would like to introduce my NPD new product development team head Gaurav. Shivani is also there. I think all this possible with the help of these people. They are continuously developing new product, and I am sure as the days goes in the northern profile with the new taste will come, and many things. We are looking in a big way. Thank you, Shaluji.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for trusting Entice for North India. Thank you for having association with Entice for North India. And definitely we will achieve more than 1 year of business, or might be 50 crores of annual business. Looking together both the categories.
Forward, definitely.
So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.